What's up, it's Ben with Digital Dreams. It is August 19th, 12 o'clock. We're in Sunnyvale, we're at LinkedIn, and we're putting up the second wall. We did a larger wall just like this one like a month ago, and now we're doing the second wall, the B wall. We did the A wall, this is the B wall. So let's check it out. I don't know what's going on. Once this whole frame is done, which we're almost there, then we start stacking cabinets, but this side is good. So we're gonna stack this bottom row, maybe go up a couple. But as soon as that's done, this will go up really quick. We're just gonna start putting up all the cabinets. We already got them all in box. Then we'll take all the boxes, put them back in over there, into the old crates, mount a couple switches in the back. Electrician's already doing the power. Beep, beep, beep. How beefy this guy is. Yeah. Clip right in, got the pins. Got to put the little safety hook on there in case it pops off so it doesn't let it fall. So less seams and less pieces to put up. And Junior's putting on all the receive cards right now. I know someone asked me the other day, that guy with all those screens on the store, he was like, show me some photos of your work. I go through my phone. I sent him like 10 jobs, nothing's done. Same, dude. It's like, there's no seams. It's all black right now, but I'm telling you.
Perfect. Oh, we're making Ethernet cables, sir.
Why do you need Ethernet cables? Why didn't it come with it?
We're short 10, I believe. 9, stand corrected. So we're manufacturing them on site.
Yo, what up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. Today is, what is today? Wednesday, August 20th, behind the wall at LinkedIn. Got Carlos on the ladder. Got Naro back there. Don't forget, you got to make sure you get Naro on the camera this time. You know what I'm saying? He needs some air time. We got B over there. We're about to finish the power. We're about to finish the data. And we're going to start populating. You know, Chris's favorite part. You got to keep it populated. That's the intro.
I'm in the background like a f***ing, what's that guy there for?
You should put lead, you know what I'm saying? Head.
Lead installer?
It's got to find like a bigger title.
Lead technician.
Nah, that's like still not up there yet.
Assistant CEO.
Can't put assistant.
2 yellow ones are gonna go up there. Skip one and then next one. B, you wanna do the trim on that side? Get that out of the way. We gotta do the bottom on that, the sides, in the middle, and the edge.
Narod's anime name, Naruto. Naruto. We need the power. No forks in medieval times, henceforth there's no forks in medieval times. He's like,
There were no utensils, but there was Pepsi?
Dude, I got a lot of tables.
Chris, what movie is it where Jim Carrey's talking about a double-decker? Where he goes in, he takes the lid of the toilet, shits on the top, so when you flush, it fills with shit.
Where have you been?
Sorry, I just took an upper decker in the master bathroom.
Upper decker?
Yeah, it's where you take a dump in the water tank and not in the bowl.
This is what's giving data to all the cabinets. Switches the IP address, routing, and all this stuff. I'm gonna climb up, plug this in.
I'll film me, cut it, cut it.
I'm gonna try to loop it like that.
All right, so we're done here at LinkedIn. Our video wall took us 3 days. Take down old one, put a nice, much better looking one up. And as you can see, it's all done and ready for content.
Talking LED walls, baby.